And welcome back. The senior Reggae Boys made light work of their Grenadian counterparts with a 5-1 victory in the first of 3 two-match friendly internationals down the Caribbean.
It wasn't expected to be a Mount Everest climb, but the Reggae Boys showed the gulf between themselves and Grenada. The Reggae Boys wasted little time in letting the Spice Boys know how difficult a night it was going to be. Debutant Daniel Green with the opener. 10 minutes later, Alex Marshall sent Peter Lee Vassell on his way, and the former Cornwall College man duly obliged to double the score. And Vassell wasn't finished, and was back for more 2 minutes into the second half. He just couldn't miss from that distance, as he made it 3-0. Grenada needed to put something on the board to make it a match, and they did just that, cutting the margin to 3-1 in the 56th minute. But Vassell continued to be a nemesis for the Grenadians, who couldn't help themselves as they turned one into their own net for the Reggae Boys' fourth. Jamaica's fifth goal came through another mix-up at the back for the Grenadians. Keeper and defender just weren't on the same island, and Siobhan Marsh made them pay in what could be considered a stroll in the park. The Reggae Boys will now move on to Barbados for Game 2 on Monday.